Affect versus effect. Affect is a verb. It means to influence. Example: lack of sleep can affect your mood. Effect is a noun. It means the result. Example: the new law had a positive effect. Lay versus lie. Lay means to place something down. Example: please lay the book on the table. Lie means to recline or rest. Example: I need to lie down after lunch. Borrow versus lend. Borrow is to take. Example: can I borrow your charger? Lend is to give. Example: sure, I'll lend it to you for a day. Bring versus take. Bring means to carry something toward you. Example: please bring your notes to class. Take means to carry something away. Example: take this package to the office. Then versus than. Then relates to time. Example: finish your homework, then play. Then is used for comparison. Example: she is taller than her brother. Who versus whom. Who is the subject. Example: who called you? Whom is the object. Example: to whom should I send the report? Farther versus further. Farther is physical distance. Example: he ran farther than me. Further is metaphorical or additional. Example: let's discuss this further. Compliment versus compliment. Compliment is praise. Example: she gave me a nice compliment. Compliment means to go well together. Example: this tie complements your shirt. Principal versus principal. Principal is a person or main thing. Example: the principal of the school is strict. Principle means a rule or belief. Example: he lives by strong principles. Desert versus dessert. Desert, with one S, is dry land. Example: the camel lives in the desert. Dessert, with two S, is a sweet treat. Example: chocolate cake is my favorite dessert.